Before you begin, remove the base cover. Removal. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio module to the middle frame. Align the cutout in the base cover with the accessory module power port and place the base cover onto the middle frame. Turn the unit over. Lift the audio module off of the middle frame and carefully lay it on its side. Disconnect the audio module cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it from the slot on the system board. Remove the audio module. Replacement. Important. If you are replacing the audio module, the wireless LAN module will need to be removed from the old audio module and connected to the new audio module. Align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless LAN module into the slot on the system board. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the system board. Connect the audio module cable into the connector on the system board. Lift the audio module and place it into position on the middle frame. Turn the unit over. Lift the base cover off of the middle frame and remove. Tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio module to the middle frame.